In this video, I'll show you how to increase video graphics memory on Windows 10 and Windows 11 PCs. This method works for Intel, NVIDIA, and AMD integrated graphics. First, we need to check your current video graphics memory and graphics manufacturer. Right-click on your desktop. If you are using Windows 11, then look through the drawdown options and select Display Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. Next, select Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. Here, you will see your graphics card information. In my case, it is Intel HD Graphics. As you can see, the total available graphics memory is 6,114 megabytes, but the dedicated video memory is only 128 megabytes. So, it's time to increase that. Depending on your system RAM, use the values I will show on screen when updating your settings in the Registry Editor. For 1 GB RAM, set it to 128 megabytes. For 2 GB RAM, set it to 256 megabytes. For 4 GB RAM, set it to 512 megabytes. For 8 GB RAM, set it to 2048 megabytes. For 12 GB RAM, set it to 2070 megabytes. For 16 GB RAM, set it to 2092 megabytes. For 32 GB RAM, set it to 4192 megabytes. These are the recommended VRAM values based on your system memory. Don't worry, I've added all this information in the video description so you can follow along easily. Now, open the Registry Editor. Click on the Windows search bar and type Registry Editor, or simply type Regedit. Choose Run as Administrator. When the User Account Control prompt appears, click Yes. Once the Registry Editor opens, double-click H-key Local Machine to expand it. Then, double-click Software. Since I'm using Intel Integrated Graphics, I will look for the Intel folder. If you are using NVIDIA or AMD, look for the appropriate folder instead. The steps are exactly the same. Once you find your graphics manufacturer folder, right-click on it. Select New, then Key, and name the new key GMM. Make sure all letters are uppercase, then press Enter. Click on the newly created GMM folder. On the right side, right-click, select New, then choose DWORD, 32-bit value. Name it exactly like this: Dedicated Segment Size. Make sure there are no spaces, and the letters D, S, and S are capitalized. Double-click on Dedicated Segment Size to edit it. Now, we need to check how much RAM is installed on your PC. Go back to the search bar, type System Information, and open it. Look for Installed Physical Memory RAM. For example, my system shows 12 gigabytes of RAM. Based on your RAM size, enter the correct value we discussed earlier. For my system, I will enter 2070 megabytes. Click OK to save the changes. Close the Registry Editor and restart your PC. After restarting, your VRAM will be updated, and you should notice improved performance and better FPS in games and applications. You can also improve performance by updating your graphics drivers. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers, and make sure your PC is connected to the Internet. If Windows says the best drivers are already installed, you can visit your graphics manufacturer's website, Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA, and download the latest drivers manually. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.